Who is the CEO of Tailor Brands? It's a question that might seem straightforward, but as with many things in the corporate world, the answer can be surprisingly nuanced, depending on which Tailor Brands you're referring to. Because, believe it or not, there isn't just one prominent company bearing a variation of that name. This isn't just a simple name game. It speaks volumes about the diverse landscape of modern business, from traditional manufacturing to cutting-edge AI. You see, Tailor Brands could conjure up images of a well-established company with a long history in, say, cutlery and outdoor gear. Or it might immediately bring to mind a dynamic, tech-driven platform revolutionizing how small businesses create their brand identity. And then there's the behemoth in men's apparel, a truly tailored experience. Each of these companies, despite their similar-sounding names, operates in entirely different sectors, serves different customer bases, and, crucially, has its own distinct leadership at the helm. So, before we jump into revealing the name you're likely looking for, let's set the stage a little. Understanding the context of these different entities is key to appreciating the role their CEOs play in shaping their respective industries. First, let's consider Tailor Brands LLC. This is the company that, for decades, was known for its robust line of knives, outdoor tools, and accessories under brand names like Schrade, Oldtimer, and Uncle Henry. Founded in 1975, this company built a reputation for durable, reliable products catering to outdoor enthusiasts, hunters, and collectors. Their history is rooted in American manufacturing and a more traditional business model. For a long time, the leadership of Tailor Brands LLC was focused on maintaining product quality, expanding distribution channels for physical goods, and navigating the shifts in the retail landscape for outdoor equipment. This company was acquired by Battenfeld Technologies in 2016, and since then, its operations and leadership have been integrated into the larger parent company. So, if you're thinking of the traditional knife and outdoor gear company, their specific CEO role as an independent entity ceased to exist after the acquisition. Their products continue under the Battenfeld Technologies umbrella, with leadership aligning with that larger corporate structure. Then there's Tailor Brands Incorporated. This is a massive player in the men's apparel retail industry, encompassing well-known names like Men's Wearhouse, Joss A. Bank, and Moores. This company's history traces back to 1973 with the founding of Men's Wearhouse by George Zimmer. Tailor Brands Incorporated is all about helping people look and feel their best for important moments, from everyday wear to formal events. Their business model is centered on a combination of retail stores, online presence, and a focus on customer service and tailored experiences. The CEO of a company like Tailor Brands Incorporated faces the challenges of evolving fashion trends, managing a vast retail footprint, optimizing supply chains, and competing in a highly competitive market. They are responsible for driving sales, enhancing the customer experience, and navigating the complexities of a large, publicly traded company or recently privatized, as was the case for a period. And finally, we arrive at Tailor Brands, the company that is most likely the subject of your query given the rapid rise of AI and digital branding. Founded in 2014 by Yali Sar, Nadav Schatz, and Tom Laha, this is a technology company, a stark contrast to the previous two. Tailor Brands has revolutionized the way small businesses and entrepreneurs approach branding and business formation. They offer an AI-powered platform that helps users create professional logos, develop brand identities, build websites, and even assist with legal aspects of starting a business, like LLC formation and trademarking. Their mission is to democratize branding and make it accessible to everyone, regardless of their design skills or budget. The CEO of Tailor Brands operates at the intersection of technology, design, and entrepreneurship. Their focus is on innovation, scaling a digital platform, leveraging artificial intelligence, and serving a global user base primarily online. So, who is the CEO of that Tailor Brands? The one that is making waves in the world of AI-driven branding and business solutions? The CEO of Tailor Brands is Yali Sar. Yali Sar is not just a CEO. He is also a co-founder of Tailor Brands. His background in marketing and his passion for empowering small businesses were instrumental in the company's inception. He, along with Nadav Schatz, CTO, and Tom Laha, COO, built Tailor Brands from the ground up, starting with an innovative AI-powered logo maker and expanding into a comprehensive suite of business-building tools. Sar's leadership at Tailor Brands reflects the company's core values of accessibility, innovation, and simplicity. Under his guidance, Tailor Brands has served millions of businesses worldwide, helping them establish a professional online presence and navigate the often complex journey of entrepreneurship. His role involves overseeing the strategic direction of the company, fostering technological advancements in AI for design and business management, and ensuring that Tailor Brands continues to meet the evolving needs of its diverse clientele. He's at the forefront of a company that is constantly adapting and expanding its offerings, from logo design to website creation, business compliance, and even merchandise printing. The distinction between these Tailor Brands highlights a crucial point: context matters. A simple search for Tailor Brands CEO without further specification could lead you down different paths, each with its own fascinating story and impactful leader. But when it comes to the cutting-edge, AI-driven platform that's helping countless entrepreneurs launch their dreams, the name you're looking for is Yali Sar. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.